Hey everybody, this is the second part of the making my purse, and I'm working on it right now. I'm doing machine applique. I shut my lights off because I think you can probably see better. I'm trying to adjust the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. So what I have is, now I have my J foot on. I have a Brother Quattro 2, and I'm doing applique, machine applique. This is the face that I showed you on the first part of the video that I made, the cute little face, and this is going to be the back of the purse, the bag, and I'm going to do a zigzag stitch. I have my width at 2.5 and my length at 0.7, and I have the J foot on. So I'm going to see if you can see this. I'm only going to take a little bit of it. So now what I'm doing is I worked the needle right to the edge of the fabric, and I'm wondering if I zoom in, you could probably see better. So, and I picked, I got Gutermann cotton thread, and I'm working slowly. You do not have to do it fast, but you know, I have a heavy foot and sometimes I like to go slow, but I also like to go fast. And I did a test run on, you can't see it because it's like very light. So I did a test run on different stitches, but I'm basically working with the zigzag, and this one right here is the best one. And of course, I have my gloves on. These are my no grip gloves, and these are great for when you don't, want your hands to slide on the fabric. So now I'm just turning it as it goes. See, I said to go slow, but if I go slow, I make a lot of mistakes. So if I go a little faster, you don't have to go fast. You can set your machine on, a slower stitch. Now I'm coming into a crevice, at the bottom of the face. So actually with this foot that I have on, I really can't see my stitching. But I'm not going to change it right now because right now it's not a good idea. So I do a lot of machine applique, so I'm pretty familiar with it. Once you try it, it's easy. The thing that I do find is match the thread, or give it like a 2 tones below the color that you're using on the fabric, or 2 tones above it. See, and the fabric wants to really turn itself. I'm going to see if this light, if it will get in the way of you seeing what I'm doing. I also have a better light here, but I don't know. Yeah, see, it's too much glare for you. Okay. And try to keep your needle, the stitches, right at the edge. All right, now I'm coming right into the corner. So, all right, and I want to be careful because I don't want to separate my stitching. And if you look at some of my old videos on my YouTube channel, and That's Material Girl 338 on YouTube. Look at the very beginning of my channel. I have a lot of videos. I have like 257 videos, but you'll see me doing applique, and I did the little girl, the applique little girl, and it came out adorable, and a lot of people watched it. I think over 2,500 people watched that video. Okay. Alright, so I'm slowly turning it, and I gotta shut up. Alright, so I'm coming to the point where I started, and I want to cut that piece of thread. Where's that piece of thread? So I only have a couple more stitches to go. Now I'm in the curve, going onto the cheek of the baby. And I'm gonna go like 2 or 3. This foot actually is not a good foot. I should be using my other foot because I can't friggin' see where the stitches start. All right, I think I'm gonna have to turn the light on. All right, I think that's it. Okay, so I'm going to bring it closer. Hopefully you could see it. See, so I matched the, isn't he cute? I matched the stitching closer to the edge of the face. So you really can't see the, you know, too much of a contrast, which is what you want. Okay, unless you want to do it like, you know, in a crazy color. But it came out really nice. And that's the size that I used was the width was 2.5 and the length was 0.7. So I'm going to continue making it, and let me push it back so you can see it better. And when I do the next part, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a pocket, you know, because this is going to be the front of the bag. And on my bags, I do a little piece to hang your phone. And I am actually, I don't want to toot my own horn, but in the really beginning part of cell phones, I was doing that already. So and then a lot of people, you know, copied my videos because I posted them on Pinterest. But I always make a little clasp here to connect to the phone. So this way, if you want to just push your phone into the pocket, you can do that. Okay? Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Go to my channel. It's Material Girl 338. And if you have any comments, post them below. Okay? Everybody have a great day. Bye.